So we're here with Bill Martin from Samsung as a co-chair with me of the SNIA Technical Council. And we're talking today about Bill's talk at the upcoming Storage Developer Conference. So Bill, what's your talk about?
So I'm going to be talking on the developments in the area of key value storage, covering the standardization of both the API within the SNIA work group and the standardization of the protocol layer in the NVMe work group.
So how is that going? How is that standard coming along?
So in the SNIA work group on the API, we are getting close to, and by the time of SDC, we should be at a public release of that for a public review of that document. Within the NVMe work group, we are have an architecture in place, and we'll be starting the development of an actual technical proposal that will flesh out that architecture and have most of that done by the end of this year.
So QValue is a rather radical change in the interface to storage. What makes it the time now for QValue?
We have a number of different applications, different companies using storage in a different way than what it's been used in the past, where we're trying to not have to do a translation from traditional block storage to key value storage. One of the important differences is this is key value storage, not object storage. So we're not trying to take it up to the level of what is done in the system, but focus just on storing key value data and not having to do the translation, which it adds performance and decreases some of the overhead that you have in the host of maintaining separate tables.
So the QValue API, is that intended for application developers, storage developers, both?
It's intended for both. It's intended for application developers who want to directly use key value storage. We have application developers doing that. We also have storage developers that are developing storage arrays that would like key value at the back end, and they are intending to use the API as well.
And what should developers expect to take away from your session at SDC?
They should expect to not only get a good feel for where we're at in the standards development, but also a good overview of what's in each of the two standards we're developing, what will be covered in this first generation of key value standards, and also where they will be going in the future.
Great. I'm really looking forward to your talk, Bill.
Okay, thank you, Mark.